Hey guys, Sam from AVATARZ here. In this short unboxing video, I would like to show you what is inside of the library. After you unzip the zip file, you will get more than 2000 PNG files of different avatars. It is divided in female PNGs, which is then divided to black, brown and white skin color, and then every skin color is divided to jumper, shirt or t-shirt. And then you have many of different PNG files. This is the same for the male. It's more than 2000 different combinations of avatars. Then source files, thanks to which you can get even more customized avatars. You can customize the colors, pose of the avatar and even more. Here it's also divided to male and female. Next to that is the license, where is written how you can use the AVATARZ library. You can use the library in your various projects. You can sell the piece of library or you can sell the whole library. You can use it in your projects, products or in your marketing materials. The license is here. In the next file is the link to the tutorial we created for you. Thanks to this step-by-step tutorial, even the beginner in Blender can customize every type of avatar. It is that easy. And by the way, Blender is for free. If you have any question, please reach to us at Samuel@3D Design. Thank you, that's it. I hope you like it. If you want to get more information, please visit avatars.design. Thanks, have a nice day and stay creative.